Hi, I'm Danny Ecker with your Chicago Business Today Midday Report. Chicago area home prices surged in June for the second straight month, yet another sign of the recovering housing market. The S&P Case-Shiller Index of Chicago area single-family home prices rose 4.6% from May to June. That was the third largest monthly gain after Detroit and Minneapolis. I'm joined now by Crain senior reporter Albie Galoon for some perspective on the report. Albie, another positive sign here. Are real estate experts sort of saying that this is a road to sustained recovery?
Well, I think these numbers certainly get your attention, especially following, I think it was a 4.5% increase the prior month. So those are two very strong months for price gains. And if you look at some of the other data that's come out, sales data, sales of homes in the Chicago area have risen for 13 straight months. Developers are selling more homes than they were a year ago. So I'd say the picture is much brighter than it was even 3 or 4 months ago.
And what's been contributing to some of these price rises? I mean, there's obviously been a lot of talk about the number of foreclosed properties here. Are those dropping finally?
Well, foreclosures are still an issue, and that's not going away anytime soon. And the concern there is that you'll have this shadow inventory, these homes that are going through the foreclosure process that will ultimately come back on the market at lower prices and drag down the market. That's still a concern. But if you look at what's happening more broadly, I think there's a lot of pent-up demand in the market. You have people that have to make life decisions. Families are growing. They have more children. They need a bigger house. They're looking at moving to a new school district. So, those kinds of decisions can't necessarily wait for the market to recover. And then I also think there's a lot of optimism in the market that there wasn't last year, and that kind of feeds on itself.
Right, and then stepping back, big picture, where do we stand right now on home prices compared to pre-recession peaks?
Well, the market peaked for single-family homes, peaked in September of 2006, and we're still 33% below that level. So we've got a long way to go before we get back to that level, and it's not going to happen anytime soon, especially with the economy where it is right now.
Okay, Albie, good stuff. Thanks for the time.
Thank you.